have some massive iPhone 16 Pro leaks, and I am gonna now tell you if it is worth the upgrade or just a scam. Let's go. So first of all, this is the iPhone 16 Pro, and this is how it looks like based on the leaks so far. And from the front it really doesn't look that different from the iPhone 15 Pro. But there are some subtle changes that we'll talk about in a second. So first of all, you might have heard that Apple is getting rid of the mute switch and replacing it with an action button, just like on the Apple Watch Ultra. And this is how it's gonna look like. We actually got a leak of the actual code from iOS 17, and if you press and hold on the action button, you will get these options: silent mode, flashlight shortcuts, voice memos, accessibility, camera and focus modes. Now, the most interesting part about this leak is that apparently the silent mode will not turn the phone completely silent. It will just mute the ringtone and the notification sounds, while the mic will still be functional. So you can still record videos and take pictures, and the mic will not pick up any sound. This is very interesting, and I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think this is a good change? Or the mute switch should just do what it currently does, just mute everything completely? Now, another change that's happening is that the volume buttons are now always visible, which makes sense since they moved the mute switch. But a lot of people were saying that this will make the phone thicker. Well, according to the current leaks and the CAD models, that is not the case. The phone will be exactly the same thickness as the 15 Pro. Now, the biggest change, of course, is the introduction of the new capture button, just like on the Sony Xperia phones. And this is what it looks like. Basically, when you press it, it will protrude more, and when you release it, it will go back in. And apparently it will work just like the action button. You will be able to customize it and choose different functions for it. Now, a lot of people were saying that this will make the phone thicker. But again, according to the CAD models and the leaks, that is not the case. The phone will be exactly the same thickness as the 15 Pro. The iPhone 16 Pro will also have a new titanium frame, which will make it lighter and stronger. And apparently the Apple logo will be bigger and more centered. Also, the bezels on the display will be even thinner. We're talking 1.5 millimeters thin, which is crazy thin. Now, when it comes to the colors, we don't have any leaks yet, but I would love to see a blue version of the 16 Pro. So let me know what you think. And yeah, I would say that these changes are actually pretty significant. The new capture button will definitely change the way we use the camera, and the new action button will allow us to do more with our iPhones. And the fact that the bezels are getting thinner makes me really happy. Now, the iPhone 16 Pro will be released in September, and the price will likely remain the same, $999 for the base model. Of course, I'll keep you updated with all the new leaks, so stay tuned for more updates.